I remember before the channel started, my 2 oldest kids were just starting early education programs, like 2-year-old, 3-year-old programs, but it was still too early for me to go back to work full-time. So I really wanted to start a YouTube channel, but I was so scared. I was scared of what people were gonna think, and so I did nothing. After a while, I started to get sick. I was getting really lightheaded all the time and having episodes of like my heart racing, and I decided to go to the doctor. When I got to the doctor, I told her everything that was going on, and she told me she thought it was stress related and that I should go talk to somebody. I am not at all opposed to mental health experts, but at the time I just decided to go home right then and pray about it. And so I kid you not, I just started talking and everything just poured out of me. And right then and there I realized that my desire to start this channel was stronger than my fear. And so I just decided right then and there to surrender to it and just do it. And I got up and the lightheadedness went away. The racing heart episodes were gone. And the rest is, as you say, history. And you guys have been amazing through all of it, through my ups and my downs. And if you've been with this channel for a while, you know that there have been downs and you guys have been here, and there have been many ups and you guys have been here, and I'm so grateful. You guys encourage me so much in the comment section. Some of us are on a first name basis and I feel like I know you, and I'm so grateful for that. So it's our anniversary. Happy anniversary, you guys. This is me, Angelina.
Angelina here, Angelina here, Angelina here again, Angelina here again. It's Angelina again.
6 years ago, on November 28th, 2012, I uploaded my very first video.
The purpose of this video is to introduce myself and to let you know what you can expect to see on this channel. My name is Angelina, and I love taking thrifty things and turning them into something else that I love.
Yes, it's cringy, I know, but I'm so glad I did it. This channel has gone from a way for me to reclaim my own identity after becoming a wife and a mother to my absolute dream career. And the fuel for it all is you guys. So let's raise our glasses in memory of the last 6 years and toast to many more years. Cheers. No, for real, go get you a glass. I got this Martinelli sparkling apple peach cider, but you can put whatever you want to in your glass. I'll wait. And it's because of you that I have this awesome opportunity to create really valuable bonus content for anybody who wants to join the Blueprint DIY Becoming a Renegade Club. I'm so excited. You guys have helped me to gain my courage and my voice over the last 6 years, and now I have the opportunity to do the same for you guys. So if you are having trouble gaining the courage and the motivation to DIY, sew, upcycle, or really any hobby, this club is for you. And definitely for all of you that really love this channel and really want to support it and see it grow more quickly, then the membership is definitely for you. Now look, nothing's gonna change as far as the free content on this channel, and I really don't want you guys to feel obligated to do this. If anything, this is going to make the free content better. As a matter of fact, I've been wanting to tell you guys that I have 2 plus size models lined up that I'm gonna do projects for, and I'm so excited because you guys have been requesting this so much, because truly every woman deserves clothes that fits her size and her personality or her style. And so this is going to make this happen on this channel. So I'm so excited, as well as as we have a $20 upcycle outfit challenge Facebook group that is coming out. I'll have more details about that. It's going to be only 20 people allowed in the group at a time. It's going to be close knit. I'll be able to get to know you guys and we'll do our projects together. So I'm so excited about those things that are coming up soon. But for the Becoming a Renegade Club, you'll get $5 off of all my merch. Yes, I said merch. We have merch. You'll be able to get your thrift fit right here, and I'm so excited about it. And you'll also get a VIP badge next to your name when you make the comment, so everybody will know you're in the club. And you'll get behind the scenes footage in your community posts about what projects I'm working on, what projects I'm thinking of working on, and you'll be able to give me your feedback on what you think should go first. And most importantly, you'll get a monthly live feed that'll teach you how to gain the courage and the motivation to do those projects that are on your heart and on your mind. I hear you guys in the comments talking about your challenges, and I just really want to help lift some loads because you guys have helped to lift me. So to become a member, it's only $4.99 a month, and in order to join, all you have to do is hit that join button down below, or I have a link in the description box, and that's it. So I hope you guys have your glass by now. I'm so excited to see how far we can go. Here's to many more years of remaking our clothes to be just as unique as us. Cheers.